Hi, nice to have you with us today. I am Ivy, the narrator. This time, the quiet lake at dusk is depicted from a slightly elevated standing position. The only colors used are those of library and art set 4. It is easy because there is no need to mix colors. Let's get started. Foliage. Following the Bob Ross style, the paintings are drawn in order from the distance. Putty blend. Blur them. Foliage. Draw the clouds. Stamp large. Blur them. The Bob Ross way is to blur after painting. New layer. Triangle hard. Create a layer for each slope on either side of the mountain. New layer. Make a layer of the other slope. Now you have added the left and right layers. Alpha lock on. Big pastel. The pressure is such that the tip of the pencil lightly touches the canvas. When alpha lock is enabled, only colored areas can be processed. Moss blend. Add roughness with moss blend. Big pastel. Adding a little white gives a dimensional effect. Change the layer. Alpha lock on. Let me change the composition a little. New layer. Triangle hard. Draw a cloud at the foot of the mountain. Putty blend. New layer. Sponge. Triangle hard. Draw the clouds. Putty blend. New layer. Sponge. New layer. Line on. Combine sponge and line tool to mass produce evergreens in the distance. Line off. Big pastel adds texture to monotonous surfaces. In some cases, try painting with alpha lock disabled. Duplicate and merge the layers reflected on the water surface. Alpha lock off. Layer copy. Layer paste. Layer copy. Layer paste. Merge down. Move. This time, we will not merge all the views at the back of the lake at once. The distance from the viewpoint is taken into account for the reflected view. Eraser. Erase part of the scenery reflected on the surface of the water to express the shoreline. Layer copy. Layer paste. Move. Vertical flip. Sorry, it is hard to discern. Duplicate and merge the remaining layers. Move. Adjust so that the top of the mountain is in the lake surface. Merge all layers reflected on the water surface. Check for forgetting to merge. Moss blend. It represents waves on the surface of water. New layer. Sponge. Line on. Combine the sponge and line tool to mass produce evergreens below the viewpoint. Line off. Alpha lock on. Big pastel. Adds texture to monotonous surfaces. New layer. Undergrowth, 2. It would be better to change the composition. The composition is good and the mountain tops reflected in the lake are not hidden. That's all for this time. Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Otsukar sama deshi ta.